You've probably worked with artificial intelligence today, you just didn't notice. In offices around the world, AI has quietly become the teammate we didn't know we had, helping marketing teams predict what customers want, assisting HR in finding the right candidates, and empowering finance teams to analyze data faster than ever. It's not replacing professionals, it's upgrading them. Those who learn to use AI aren't being left behind. They're moving ahead, faster, smarter, and more confident than before. From corporate offices to remote workspaces, AI is changing how we think, decide, and create, silently transforming careers in the background. If you want to understand artificial intelligence more deeply, how it's actually used in real workplaces, and how you can use it to grow your career, follow our YouTube channel, NEXTGEN AI.